So yeah, so Nathan, he came up to me about 2 weeks ago about wanting to buy lunch for our M&O staff, and he was just really adamant about treating them out to lunch, letting them know how much he appreciates their hard work around campus. He knows that it's tough to be it's tough to clean up after the kids, and it's just a very heartwarming gesture from a student. I've been here I've been here at Leuzinger for 16 years now, and I've never seen a student come up to me and who was so adamant about wanting to buy lunch for our M&O department, and so I just really appreciate everything that he did for us today.
I just want to say thank you to all the Olympian staff out here. As you can see, I just did a little something special for them. Honestly, I just really appreciate your guys' help, your guys' hard work that you guys have been bringing to the school, to our community, and I just really appreciate it. So you guys keep up the good work and go on.
So we just want to give our thanks and appreciation back to Nathan for what he did today. I've been here for 6 years, and it's the first time that a student has ever come out and offered a gesture like this. He's a senior, he works at Denny, he's a hardworking kid, came out of pocket actually just as a thank you for this, and I know the staff and I are so appreciative of it. Man, it definitely touched our hearts. Try not to break up talking about it, because it's just such a nice gesture, and this is why we do what we do for students like this. And we know he's not a diamond in the rough, because there's so many other kids like that out there, but just the fact that he came forward and did this speaks volumes. So thank you, and very appreciative for the gesture.
Hey guys, Gary here. Just wanted to say thank you to Nathan for buying us pizza today and letting us know that he notices all the hard work that maintenance and operations put in. It's really nice to know that he took the time to recognize us, and it means a lot. It really does. Thank you, Nathan.
And this is what makes the job worthwhile, to know that a student would take pride in us for all of and to say that all of our hard work is not in vain. And we all appreciate this from the M&O department at Leuzinger High School.
So this is pretty cool that what Nate did. I've been here 12 years. I've never seen a student do this. It's really thoughtful of him. We've been here cleaning and maintaining, and he really went out of his way to provide us with food. It's really cool of him.